Oh, hello there. It is morning time. I'm in my pajamas, and we got a new box of harps in the mail. Let's just go ahead and without further ado, we'll cut this right open. These are Yakutian Khomus, but I don't remember exactly what I got. We'll see if I can defeat the box this time. How does it open? Where does it open? We'll just tear it asunder. I don't remember what I got. Oh, rightly no. Let's see. First we have... Oh, that's cool. That's going on the wall. Let's see, what did we get here? Well, down here we can hear the furnace running. It is very cold outside right now. Got my handy dandy little scissors. Try not to start any unboxing without the little scissors. Oh yes, the small Shepelev. Yes, I'll put them. Oh, they're ice cold. I went and got these out of my truck. I had to go pick them up at the post office yesterday, and they got left in there overnight. And these are super cold. You can see frost. A little bit of condensation building up on them. Not much humidity in the air. I do run a humidifier upstairs, but the air is pretty dry here. Oh yes, a god of Sev. Yeah, the horse. Oh, where's some of these other ones? Oh cool, we got blue, red, and a green Manderev. Start off with this ungodly loud God of Sev. Well, normally they're ungodly loud. Let's just go ahead and we're going to get a thumbnail right here. I like to pause for a thumbnail. In the past, I did too much moving to get super clear thumbnails. Wah! There we go. Now that we've procured our thumbnail, let's get right into it. You can see how cold they are. There's a little bit of condensation. Now, I always recommend everyone wash their harps in warm soapy water when you first get them, when you first receive anything that goes in your mouth in the mail. We're not going to do that today. We're going to use the Mighty Mist to clean it. God of Sev come in, and I hope I'm saying that right, come in a case. All the ones I've seen have this horse sticker. So far, this thing is super cold. I should have waited for these to warm, but when in Rome, we'll give it a spray and a spray. It's alcohol-based, so you just got to dry it off. Wait for it to dry. It's like mint. Wonder how well this ice cold. I've never played a harp that's this cold. It's probably 2 degrees outside, maybe Fahrenheit. Yeah, that's pretty loud harp. Really tight gaps, a little bit of flare out at the end. Little bit of fuzz, a little bit of wire going on in the background in a very pleasing way. We'll get this wiped off. I'm going to oil it with some coconut oil. Yes, that is a baby food jar. I like to have jars that are of appropriate size. Also like the tiny jelly jars for my coconut oil. We'll get this coconut oiled off. Put you back. Let's try one of these Shepelev. Oh, they're tied together. Wah! There we are. Let's see if I can untie this. We'll see if I'm smart enough this morning. Oh, I did it! Yay! The smallest of the Shepelev. cold harp. Pretty tight gaps, nice level of polish. Tall trigger with a nice round loop at the end. And this maker's mark here. Oh, that's a good bell ring. Oh, that's a beautiful bell ring. Let's check out the Manderev. I don't even remember if I squirted the Mighty Mist on this. You should sanitize or wash with soapy water harps that you get in the mail. That's a good practice to have. I don't think I did that on that one. Okay, we'll play a couple of these Manderev. See where we're at with those. Manderev are the most affordable Yakut harps that I know of. Very, very cold. Squirt of the Mighty Mist. Let's have a gander at this. Want to be putting any alcohol sanitizer in your mouth, so a little bit bigger gaps. Probably the biggest gaps of these three styles of harps that I'm unboxing here. Good compression. There's more of a flare out at the end. Harp like this will accept normally some more aggressive play. Slightly recurved trigger. Nice, really round trigger loop there. Oh yeah, I like that. Let's play a couple more of the Manderev. Higher in tone. Wonder if that'd be E-ish or F-ish maybe. I'm trying to get better at guessing notes or guessing what things are near. I don't know if I am yet, but I'm making the attempt and setting the intention to try to start hearing notes better with my ears. We'll know after this video is over if I was right or not. Here we have the green Manderev, and I don't know if there's any actual difference in between the harps. I believe just the felt backing on the case are different. Let's see what we got here. About the same gaps. Really good compression, actually. That recurve style. Same style trigger, recurve slightly with a round trigger loop. Oh yeah, that is not too shabby at all. Get that wiped off. We'll play our last two harps and we'll wrap this unboxing up. I try to keep the unboxing short. And it is morning time. There are things to do. Harps to get around. The day is young, so we'll try to keep this short. I always say I'm going to keep them short, but I never keep them as short as I actually try to keep them. We're going to be over 10 minutes, and that's okay. We're just going to play them all. The red case Manderev, and they are a necklace case. A short necklace case, I would call them. Well, let's see here. Can we... Correct that. Can we wear this as a necklace? Let's see. It is... Yeah, it's barely big enough for my head. And I have a relatively small head. See, it probably bounces a little bit when you walk if you wear it as a necklace. cleaning harps, playing harps in the morning. I sing a lot in the morning, and I am not a good singer, so you're welcome. Let's see here. Good gaps. Good compression on all three of them. I'm seeing near perfect compression. The largest of the gaps are the Manderev, but they're very well done. Oh, I started to get lost in that. I like that, just playing the harp and just drifting away on it. One more harp in the unboxing. What is everybody up to today? We've got some inside stuff to do. It is quite cold here in Kansas. I think the wind chill either today or tomorrow is supposed to hit -30, which is colder wind chill than we normally get in Kansas. And that's Fahrenheit scale. We use Fahrenheit in the U.S. Doesn't make any sense, but we use it, and it works. Last one is the Shepelev. And the Shepelev have pretty unique patterns on their case. I think this might be a burl of some type. Very beautiful wood. And it's very light, almost like the lightness of cork, but a little bit harder. And I like that the makers in Yakutia, a lot of them use softer, lighter woods. For necklace cases, that's nice. Some of the oak and really heavy cases tend to make for a heavier necklace. There's the small Shepelev. Nice levels of polish. Good compression. That tall trigger with a perfectly round or near perfectly round loop. To spray. And if you don't have like Mighty Mist, I would just suggest if your harps come in, warm soap or warm water, soap, and wash them for a couple minutes and dry them really thoroughly. If you use soap and water on your harps, just make sure before you oil them, you dry them very, very thoroughly. You don't want water mixing in with the oil because that could cause rusting. But let's check it out. Let's get an ear on this. Ooh. Ooh, that is a tasty harp. Anyways, we're going to wrap this up. Thank you so much for joining us for this unboxing. Please be sure to keep your harps clean, keep them dry, keep them oiled. If anybody's interested in these, most of them should be on the harpery.com. I love y'all. Keep your harps clean, keep them dry, keep them oiled. Blah, 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 blah.